Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. And this today's video, I'm going to show you how to group apps on Android app screen. Okay, this is my Android app screen, and for example, I'm going to create a group of social media applications such as Instagram, Telegram, and TikTok. So first of all, we just need to click and hold on one of the application we would like to group, and I'm going to tap and hold on the Instagram application, and we just need to click on select, and you can select other applications you would like to add to the same group, and I'm going to select Telegram and also TikTok. And after that, we just need to click on a create folder right here, and the group of application will be created, and you can name your group. For example, I'm going to name it social media. Okay, and as you can see now, the group has been created on my Android app screen. And if you want to add more applications to this group, we just need to click on this plus button. Then we can select the application we would like to add to the group. And I'm going to add this application, and we can click on done. Okay, and you can customize the position of this group. I'm going to place the group right here. Okay, and this is the group of application that we have just created. Alright guys, and that's how we can group application on Android app screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.